I want to rant. Like this thing, this thing is turning my stomach, and I can't hold it anymore. Like I want to speak. Okay, you heard that something is free. Something is free. They are not collecting any dime from you. You're not paying anything. And you refuse to take that opportunity. You refuse to take advantage of that thing. Like seriously? Like I've been thinking about this thing. Why should you not take advantage of such thing? When you hear that something is free, you're not asked to pay a dime. You're not asked to pay any money. You're not asked to pay any money. This thing is free. You're not going to lose anything. Okay, I want to teach you something for free. You're not going to lose anything. Then you just see the link and say, what is this one saying? What does she even know? Mrs. Know-All. So in this 21st century now, because you are driving Venza and you already built one house, you want to sleep on that one. What will you tell your children? What will you tell your children that while others were making money, what were you doing? You were procrastinating. Abi you were feeling too big. Abi you were feeling arrogant. Abi you were feeling that okay, you have arrived because you build one house. Or you are feeling that you have arrived because you can go to Dubai, or you can go to Ghana, or you can go to South Africa. Okay, let me ask you this thing. If you take money from your savings and go to South Africa and or go to Dubai or go to UK and you come back, that money no go know am say you comot from the money. Abi you no go feel am for this Nigeria wey we dey. So when you hear that, okay, you are already doing something, you get business, you dey work with your certificate. Okay, is it a crime to get an added, like an added advantage? Is it a crime to get a knowledge, more knowledge? Like is it a crime to get more knowledge, even when it's coming for free, and monetize that knowledge? Is it a crime? As I am like this, I have my degree. I have 3 professional certificates. And even at that, I know they use those certificates work. Now my hand like this, I dey take do wetin I dey take chop. Now the knowledge where I get, I dey monetize. Okay, there's something I quickly want to chip in. Sometimes ago, I post something on my status that I want to teach how to make dollars for free, which is true. I actually have like 5 different means of getting dollars monthly. I get paid in dollars, 5 different means. So I just thought of, okay, let me just share this idea, maybe 1 or 2 out of the ideas. I wanted to share it for free. So I posted that link. I was like, okay, if you know that you are interested in this thing, I sent a link to them. Share this link within your families and friends, share it to your families and your friends. Let them too benefit from this thing so that you'll not be the only one benefiting. Don't be selfish. You know what people did? Majority declined that message. In fact, ignored it. I just shake my head. Who is losing? Am I the one losing? I'm not losing anything. Just because, number 1, you are selfish. Number 2, you are too full of yourself. You are arrogant, proud, pompous, and think that, okay, you have arrived because you get one house. In fact, all these people where they talk about self, they never even buy land. Not talk of house. They don't get car. Car and house are not even achievement in this 21st century. How many investment do you have? How many shares do you have? How much do you make? We will get like 700 to 1 million naira target weekly self, and we dey meet them. We still dey learn. I dey learn as I dey like this. Anything where I see opportunity, I dey grab them. Do you like to suffer? Do you want your children to suffer? I ask people, like, seriously? You see something free and you decline? They don't ask you to bring money. They don't tell you, say, okay, this thing wey I wan do, you go pay 1,000 naira. Abi you go pay 5,000 naira, na free. And the most annoying thing is when you want to gain something and you are asked to share with others so that you will not be the only one benefiting, and you will decline. It means you're selfish and you don't even deserve to be great. That is the meaning. Because if you are not a giver, you cannot receive. And as I am talking to you, Where we dey today na God, hard work and grace. When I say grace, I am grace personified, and I know what I'm talking about. No be keke maruwa abi okada carry us reach where we dey today. Na grace of God and hard work. So when you see any opportunity, please grab it. Anything. Maybe you see somebody that is doing a woof. Maybe somebody is selling something 20,000 naira, and the person decided, okay, today I'll sell it for 10,000 naira. You see, think twice. Grab that offer. Maybe somebody wants to introduce something to you for free and ask you something in return. Something that, will cost you nothing to do. Maybe like sharing that link, or maybe like inviting others and you declined. What kind of a person are you? I think about this thing. It infuriates me. This thing they turn my belly. They actually make me rant today. Like, seriously? Please, we need to work on ourselves. You are not Funke Alakija. And you are not Alakija. You are not Dangote. Even Dangote see they find money. Alakija see they find money. Your name don't enter Forbes. If your name never enter Forbes and they under 40 CEO, who you be? You know be Linda Ikeji see they find money. You just dey there, they do pride. And when people talk and you automatically think that they are referring to you, means that you are proud. And pride begets downfall. Now, no go make me talk wetin I no wan talk. Pride begets downfall. You are full of yourself. You are rude. You are arrogant. Because of what? Wetin you get, who you be. Anyway, sha. Now you sabi o. Wetin me I wan talk now be say. If you see anything for my status, because of the love wey I get for humanity, I hate poverty. I'm selling something 5,000 naira and I decide to sell it to you for 2,000 naira and you are still thinking about it. Hey, my sister, sit down there. Or maybe I actually get a knowledge. I paid to get a knowledge. I sleep, wake up, tell you, say, I won't give you that knowledge. I won't share that knowledge with you for free. You see, they think I can't tell you, say, okay, share this link with your friends and your family. Even if I tell you, share this link with your enemy, you shouldn't think twice because you've got nothing to lose. I beg, make I not talk again. Make I not talk when I'm not supposed to talk. I beg, because, I beg.